So I'm sitting here just minding my business, and all of a sudden I see this, what is it, Bambi's cousin? Gotta be Bambi's cousin. Okay. Um, hmm. You can continue. Hello. Mind your business. Thank you. So Bambi's cousin decides to take a little break here while I'm minding my business. So I figured I'd let you guys see this little majestic creature-ish. So cute. Look at it. Just the stealing them little leaves down there. Leaves just minding their business. Just stealing them as you go. I'm sorry. My bad, Mom. I'm sorry. Minding my business. Eesh, testy. All right.